Hi everyone, Scott here with another tip on how to use tracking codes a little bit more efficiently for the add-in working with Xero. So we've got a spreadsheet going here, and we've got an XGL formula that we're pulling for General Ledger Account Code 4000. And we're just going to look at one day of transactions just to keep it really simple here. So if we look at that formula, then what's going on is that it's pulling in all the transactions and summing up the total of those transactions to $12,000 for GL account code 4000. So that's the total of all the transactions. Now, if we go down and we use our extract function, we're going to look at the total of transactions that were coded to a specific tracking code and option. So we use extract here, and we'll inspect that formula, and you can see what's going on up here. It's referencing the store, so store 100. So we're looking at transactions that were coded to General Ledger Account Code 4000 to Tracking Code 100, and that's giving us $5,000 in entries there. Okay, so what's the difference then if we know that everything has been coded to here? I should say everything that has a tracking category associated with it has been coded to 100. But if we look down here, the difference is 7,000. And we can see what's going on is if we look at another extract formula here, referencing the exact same General Ledger account code, but we ask it to not look at a specific tracking code. We just put commas in there to give it blank or null values, if you will. And it comes back and it says, hey, you did have some journal transactions to GL account code 4000 for this date, but there were $7,000 worth that were not assigned to a tracking code. So a lot of times that will happen in our systems where we assign certain transactions to a tracking code, and other ones we will not. And this is a great way to use the function to isolate those. So another tip. Thank you very much.